Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a working chart. Install Mt5, log into a demo account, and place the Trade Assistant EA into the Experts folder. Once done, restart Mt5 and open the full-size chart for the symbol you want to trade. Make sure auto trading is enabled, then attach the EA to the chart. Configure the basic inputs immediately: risk percent, fixed lot or dynamic sizing, and the initial time frame, so the assistant can calculate position, sizing, and validate trade conditions right away. Now you configure the execution rules that control how the assistant trades. First, choose your entry trigger, indicator cross, price breakout, or an external signal, and map it in the EA settings. Next, define stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, and break-even behavior so the assistant manages risk automatically. If you need OCO or multi-order modes, set max orders and spacing. Once done, apply a dedicated chart template and run a short backtest or visual test to confirm the logic behaves as expected. Finish by saving your EA template and chart profile so settings persist across restarts. Enable logs for trade history and errors. Then monitor the first live trades closely, adjusting risk settings or pausing automation if market conditions change. You can always take manual control. Finally, implement routine checks, update Mt5, backup templates, and keep one backup account for testing. If something goes wrong, first check auto trading, DLL permissions, and that the EA is attached to the correct timeframe and account type. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.